Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be trying out a new collection from Juvias collaboration with Vanessa. This is Vanessa right here. I actually love the makeup that she created for this collaboration. Really pretty. She's all over my Instagram actually. That's all I know about her. Her makeup skills is beyond crazy, like neat and clean. This is the palette here. It's really beautiful, right? Like Juvias palettes are like really good. They're really beautiful. And this is a 6-pan palette, and this is the shades in here. Okay, really pretty. All right, so this one here is a pressed pigment, and I believe these two here are shimmer shades and the rest are regular eyeshadows. And this is a 2 lip gloss here. We have Legit Nude and we have Naomi. So these are the 2 lip gloss. This is Naomi and this one is Legit Nude. Both lip gloss shelf life is 12 months and the palette is 24 months. Now this one is like more on the pink undertone, so I'm gonna swatch that one. Ooh, smell good. So this is Legit Nude, and Naomi I think is like more on the pink side. This is it right here. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. You know, I'm gonna just swatch them for you guys. So this one here is Extra. Oh, this is so pretty. And Perfectionist. Wow, this is pretty. This one here is like a brown shade. This is BSG. This one here, Busy. Let's swatch this one here. So this is Busy, and this is Stush, and I think this one is Aqua. Ooh. Wow, this is pigmented. Like, look at this. I already prepped my eyelids, but my eyelids are always gonna crease, and I did set it with some powder, but my eyelids always creasing because it's very oily, so it doesn't really matter what I do to it. It's just gonna be like that. So I'm just gonna press it down, hopefully that it don't crease again. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this shade right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that shade and focus it right in the corner here. This is really pigmented, like wow. This color here is like more on the berry side, so I'm gonna take that and bring that up a little bit. And next I'm gonna take Busy. I'm gonna take Busy and kind of diffuse this right here just to soften it up a little bit. And I'm gonna go back in that same berry shade, darken it up a little bit. This is like really pigmented. I'm not mad at that shade. It's just really good. Go over the edges a little bit with Busy and soften this up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, and I'm gonna put that in the middle here. Just gonna put it all over. So I'm using an angle brush for this step. I just want to get the corners really good. Just using the berry shade a little bit and blend it with that color Stush. I really like this berry shade and Stush together. It looks really nice. The Stush color is just like really nice. It just like patted into the skin. It's just really pigmented. It's just a little bit of fallout though, so you may want to do your eyes first. I don't know, I don't really like doing my eyes first, so I think this look good. I'm just trying to blend both of them together. I'm gonna go in, since we're here, I'm gonna take berry shade right here and I'm gonna use it on the hair just to meet with that color on top. So we're gonna go in with that brush that we used in the beginning. I'm just going back and forth and blend everything out. This shade here, which is Busy, is really good to soften up the shadows. So like you guys see how beautiful that shade looks. Really pretty, right? All right guys, so we almost done with this look. I only used those 3 shades in the bottom here, and I think that this look really good. So we only have the lip gloss to try out. So we're gonna try out Naomi, and let's just try out Naomi first. Like, these smell so good. Really nice, right? It's not that light, it just gives you a nice color. I use a pencil just to darken it up a little bit. I didn't really put a lot of it, so I'm gonna put a little bit more to bring out the shade. Alright, so this is Naomi. Naomi, it looks really good. I think I will put a lip liner over this because I think it's a little too bright for me, but I still do like it. It looks really good. Yeah, it looks nice. I like it. So what do you guys think? Legit nude by itself. I think I'm gonna wear a pencil, like put a pencil on top of that. So this is how it looks by itself. I really don't like it by itself. I just don't like that look. So I'm gonna use a pencil. This is a new pencil from Revolution. I don't even know the name of it. And these are not sticky at all. They goes on really good. All right, so we're gonna go back with Legit Nude, and let's just see how it looks with the pencil. This is how it looks with the pencil. I do like the way it looks better with the pencil. So this is my favorite. I really do like this one. I just think that it looks really nice. I really like the palette. I like the 3 shades that I use in this palette. And honestly, if you guys never used Juvia's Place stuff before, you guys know I've been raving about them for years and I really like them. But I'm trying to stay away from Juvia's Place. It's really addictive, you know? Congratulations to Vanessa. You did really good and I really enjoyed it. So this is a lip gloss I'm going to recommend if you guys want to pick up anything from this collection. I love this. Now the palette is good, but I think that I'm sure you guys have colors like this in your collection already, so the palette is not a must-have if you understand what I'm saying. But the lip gloss, I really do like it, so I recommend the lip gloss for you guys. But I like everything in the collection. Let me know what you guys think about this collection or what you guys think about this look. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.